The engine's out of the boat. Bueno.
Sácalo. Jálalo para allá. ¿Sí?
Sí. Abajo.
Sí. Sí.
They went to get a different tender so they can unload it on land somehow. Went pretty well. I had everything prepped. It pretty much came right out. Piece of cake. The rigging we set up on the boom held it just fine. I mean, not that it's a very big engine. It's 275 pounds. So it really doesn't weigh that much. So we've made some progress. We're still waiting on our parts. They are still stuck in Tijuana at customs at UPS. No one there seems to know what's going on. They've been there for 14 days. I've talked to the shipper, I've talked to everybody, and it's pretty frustrating because no one can tell me what I need to do to get these things across the border. I can't talk to anybody at customs. There's no phone number. There's no way to contact them. I guess we'll wait a few more days and see what happens. And worst case, I'm gonna order another set and have them shipped to my house in Utah. I will fly home and get them. Because one way or another, this engine needs fixed. I'm hurrying, I promise. Good. See? And then, you ready?
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, down.
Easy.
Nice.
It's time to clean. Seems like that's all I do. But with that, I really like being able to clean it all up. Kind of makes it feel like it's gonna work this time. I'm so glad I have gloves. This is gross. This is so nasty.
Progress. Engine is out of the boat, on its way to Laurel's house. I don't know where it's going, but it's no longer on our boat. I got an email from UPS. They finally told me what needs to happen. I sent them the information. We'll probably, I'm hoping to know by the end of the day if our parts are actually going to ship and leave Tijuana. Oh man, I hope so. We'll see. Carl. Y Loreto. ¿Sí? No. No, Loreto, that way.
Oh. Well, we got the cleaning done. It didn't take too long. Got a nice good scrub with a little bit of biodegradable soap. Try to break down some of that grease and get it out of there. Most of it is fuel though. So I did sop up as much as I could and before I started cleaning. So it didn't all just run out and through the bilge. So pretty happy. I still have a little bit of water in there that we're trying to get out that will drain eventually. It'll finish it up, but take a look at this. I don't think our bilge has been this clean since we've owned the boat. It was cleaner when we bought it, but not since we've been living on it and having all these issues. So check it out.
Okay.
Now, while we're stuck here in Puerto Escondido, we have some projects we need to get done. And one of them that we've really talked about is what to do with our closet space. We have this huge hanging closet, but we're only using a portion of the space with clothes hung up side by side, and there's not a lot of room to move them back and forth. We don't have a lot, but I hate to do this to you, but take a look at this mess. So, Sam and our clothes are in here. It's a mess, isn't it? But we have, this goes clear down to the bilge, and we just have stuff piled in there. And we think we can make a locker down there and then have shelves up here that we can then access all the space behind the clothes. Clear back in there. That's our plan today, is to try to put shelves in here, maybe some sort of compartment down below that allow us to maybe put our dirty clothes in there or something that easy to access, but able to use that up. So that's what we're doing today. And then we'll have lunch. Let's go. Oh. Uh-oh, I've already lost some. Will be nice to get rid of all of this plastic too. That's always a good thing, getting rid of plastic on your boat. I mean, serves its purpose for some things, but it is way overused. Oh man. I'm finding some treasures, like ukulele that's never used, some winter clothes. It got a little cold coming down and I had to dig into it real quick. We're getting there. I don't know if that's the carpenter stance or the Captain Morgan stance.
Well, I haven't had any rum, so it's not the Captain Morgan stance.
That closet's really big. I think we've made the right decision.
Well, I hope so. I don't want to do all this work for nothing.
Why a boat, you said.
Oh, don't even start with that. Don't even start with that.
All in good fun, babe. Bum, bum, bum.
You really like that dun dun dun, don't you?
It's so dramatic.
You say it all the time.
No, it's really kind of dumb, sorry.
You do it all the time. You ready?
Does it bother you? Yes, I'm ready. Will the round peg fit the square hole? Or is it the other way around? Look at that! Oh, you can't even tell how much room is in there. Look at this, look at this, look at this, look at this. Like, my whole arm. My whole arm is in there. You know how many clothes I can put in there?
The idea was get rid of clothes. Not create space to buy more clothes.
You messed up. You messed up.
All right, that's about done. I just got to screw them down a little bit so they don't fall out. And then that's about a wrap. Eventually we'll get them painted. We don't have any paint right now. That will have to be for another day. But let me finish attaching these things and let's see how much of Jessica's clothing will actually fit. And maybe I'll get more than one drawer for my clothes.
I doubt it. Actually, he's going to be quite surprised because I'm probably going to win this. He'll have to eat his words.
Win what?
I thought it was a bet.
About what?
If my stuff will fit in there.
Oh, her stuff will fit. There's no doubt about that.
For when the other ones are wore out.
Room to spare. We can put so much more crap in there than we could before.
And I haven't even tried my Tetris skills yet. I just threw stuff in there in a basket. The question is, though, who needs hangers? Because we got a lot to get rid of. Dun, 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 dun.